Hey everyone, glad to see you in my new YouTube video. Today I would like to show you how to download Crystal of Atlan on your PC. And of course, then you'll be able to play it right now. So all you need to do is just open up a browser and type in the search box Crystal of Atlan. This is the name of our game. Then you need to click on this link, coa.nvsgames.com, Crystal of Atlan. This is how this page looks like. And there is, at the very bottom, you can find 6 buttons. Download on the App Store, get it on Google Play if you use iOS or Android devices. Also, you can get it on your PlayStation. But in our case, we want to download it on our PC, so click on PC. Then at the top right in your download history, you'll see this installer. So the last step you need to do is just click on it and completely install it on your computer. Also, the second way how you can easily download it, just open up Epic Games Launcher and then you can find this game right here. So download this launcher and click on the get button on the right side. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.